Hey y'all, I know I normally do farming stuff on this channel, but we're gonna do something a little bit different. We got this boat about 10 years ago, and we were really into duck hunting. It's Carolina skiff. We made this Carolina skiff into the ultimate duck boat back then, and as you can tell, we hadn't duck hunted in a long time. So the thing that we do now is we like to catch triple tails down in the Gulf. So I'm going to try to convert this boat into a triple tail and flounder catching boat. And we got a long way to go before summertime. Good thing it's January. We'll see how far we can get with it. Maybe by June or July we'll have this baby on the water and be pulling a few triple tails. Let's check it out, see if we can make it happen. So I've got all the leaves, duck decoys, the seat, steering console, throttle console, got all that crap out. Got the boat cleaned up a little bit. Let's start sanding it, see if we can get this old camo paint off. So it took me a little while, but I got the boat sanded down. We've been waiting on this sun to come out, have a good warm day. I really want it to be at least 60 degrees. And so we finally got about a 62, 63 degree day. I got this Total Boat topside primer. I have a few rough spots on here that we're gonna, the reason I'm gonna prime it. We're still gonna go back with a white paint and a blue paint on part of it. But some of the areas are just a little rough sanded through, so we're gonna prime everything so we can get a nice, good base coat down. So I've got the exterior like I like it. We've gone white and blue, but now the fun begins. Now we get to jump on the inside. Inside's gonna be all gray. Got to put a little console in here, build a deck up front, deck on the back, and put some power back on it. So we're halfway home. Exterior like we like it. I did this intentionally. I did the exterior first, so to have some progress to look at. I didn't want to just gut everything down and start from scratch way down there in the bottom of the canyon and have to dig my whole way out. I decided to do the outside first, so I have something pretty to look at. I could see some progress, have the end in sight there, have a little something to get me excited. Now that we got something pretty on the outside, we can jump on the inside, start painting it gray, start getting it ready for the console, and continue on. They used to make, this is called a J16. They used to make just drop-in decks that dropped in and screwed down. This one used to have one on it years ago, for the front and the back. And they have these custom little drop-in benches you get from the factory, and you can put them wherever you wanted. But they quit making these boats just a couple of years ago, and I cannot find the drop-in decks. I really wanted some because I really don't want to have to build these decks. But it appears that I'm going to have to build the front and rear deck and the center console against my will. So that's what's next. I've been dreading it. I've been putting it off, but now it's time to start building and then fiberglassing. I'm going to paint all this first. And I've ordered the marble replica paint, so I'm going to go gray with the white marble replica splatter in it. And then we'll put the decks on it and glass them and paint them and put this baby in the water. Y'all stay tuned, see how it turns out. Thank you.